cleaned it when the hoover. You guys want to see? Don't worry, guys. So let's check, guys. Okay, let's open this clips. It's not heavy for me. You know why is it not heavy? You know when I bought this hoover, yeah, it wasn't heavy. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. How clean is it? But you know when I clean the hoover, when I do the hoover, the dust leaks from this little hole. Look, wait, full of dust. Don't worry. Look, guys, can you see? It's dripping from here now. Okay, let's close it. There's a little bit muck over here. I did circle that and clean that middle. And guys, it looks clean. Yeah, but it don't look clean, the filter. Smelly filter. Guys, you can't take the face off. Look, that's why you can't take the face off. You guys will watch me. Wait, I need to just put the head back on before when we do the vacuum. Little function. It does work. Okay. When I do this, guys, look. When I do this, wait, look, like this. Okay. When I do the vacuum, like, when I move this, guys, watch. Wait, why is it not making that sound anymore? Wait, I think so, the sound coming. Okay, let's do it this side. This. Okay, now this. This one is. You guys want to test it? Okay, wait, guys. Let me just guys, it's got the tools involved. Look. Tools involved. Even. Look, guys, it's just a little bit dusty. Even I was cleaning the hoover this morning from that side and this side, and I got more dust. So let me just guys, you guys want to turn it on? Let me get that tube. Okay, no, I have that tube already. Okay. I'm making the idea. I have my collection of my pneumatics handles. So, you guys will know, see the face. It can't come off. Should I show you guys? Okay, let's watch. Just keep it. It will come off. Okay, you know when you take the face off, it can't come when you buy this new handle. Okay, let's take it. See, it's got to come off. That's why when you buy an extra pneumatic James, the face can't come off. Look. So, I love this James. I love mommy and daddy. That's why they bought me this James. Also, it's got this little dent. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will fix the dent. And guys, look what happened to James. Poor James. Okay. And now, wait, like this, guys, like this is got a dent from there. Now, And guys, look, let me just get the carpet cleaner. Okay, can you see this thingy? Yeah, can you see this? I need to show you. Need to. Don't worry, even you can swivel this. Also, wait, guys. Okay, when you are parking the hoover, you don't park it like this. You park it like this. Can you see this? Next to the storage. You do it like this and pop it on. This is dusting brush, floor tool, and crevice tool, floor brush, crevice tool, hose extension. Even you can storage it like this, like that, and this. Also, you can just take the pipe and clean it off. And also, guys, look. Can you see this? Wait, it did come with it did come with two tools. One over here and one so impossible, guys. So, when I am using this one for the downstairs, yeah, and when I'm using this for the stairs, that's why it came with two of them. So sing it for me. Okay. Oh yeah, this is for the stairs. And when you're doing the cleaning in your walls, just put the dusting brush in your board. Look, put the dusting brush. Wait. Adapter. And then when you're cleaning, yeah, you put this in board and then you clean. Wait, let me just turn this hoover on and then we start cleaning with it. With the dusting brush. Okay, let's do it now. 3, 2, 1, go! Wait, guys. That is so, I can't reach it. Look, wait, let me just make this too bigger, guys, to reach. This one it didn't come. I thought they would come with this, but it didn't come. I was lying, guys. Hello, guys. Sorry, guys. When I was stuck in the dust, it went through this pipe and it didn't go. That was 3 months ago when I was holding this. You guys want to see the? Okay, let me just show you. When you screw in the hose, you don't wait, let me show you. When you screw in the hose, you don't clip the hoover inside the James. No, you need to screw it. Wait. Naughty James. Okay. You do it like this. Okay. Yes. And you just keep screwing. In this handle. Also, you just look, let me just push it. Okay. You guys want to test it? Okay. And let me just get that carpet cleaner. Do this, okay? When you're doing the vacuum in the carpet, you don't leave this over here. That's why, look, it will get stuck. Look, when I turn on, it will get stuck. So yeah, when you do this, it will not damage the floor. Guys, you watch me. Also, when you are taking iPad, you put the pipe. It will get a little when you broke the pipe. Don't worry, it's not broken. You get a knife, cut it, and clip this thing. Can you see the line? And then fix. Bye. Hello. Like my James and subscribe to my challenge. And then bye. I love you all. I love you.